Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. 20th day of January at the boat show. Downtown Minneapolis here. We're going to look at a few of these bad boys. These old skidoos, and they got all kinds of good stuff. These bad boys. Those are not cheap either. They're like, I call them snowmobiles on water. Some of these bad boys, 19 grand, 20 grand, freight. They're awful big. Look at this big skidoo over here. Look at this sucker. These the prices, right? It's 20 grand. That bad boy. Colorful as hell. Oh yeah. And the party barge right here. That bad boy.
Go get Uncle Gordy. Hey.
That's a whole 9 yarn up there. They have a whole bunch of these things, man. 2024. They have the bunches of them, different colors of them.
What happened to you guys?
What happened to you?
Yeah, he likes to.
You're getting a lot of party barges over here too as well. These suckers aren't cheap either. I have a party barge, but nothing like this one. Jesus. These ones are kind of cool. These are mid-sized party barges right here. I call these Malibu boats. They're kind of nice. Not too bad. You can stay up in these and go fishing. That's if you're living in down in Miami or something. Boats stand out for busting another 1,000. Bust out another 1,000. That's an $84,000 machine. I don't even think that's with a trailer either. A lot of gerb, man. There's lots of boats here. And they have the whole same weekend over in St. Paul. They have the camping show. I don't know if I'll go there tomorrow or not, but kind of a cool boat. $120,000 for this bad boy. Look at this sucker. Whew. Oh my goodness. Lots of room in there. Looks like a bathtub.
I sat down with Andy and it was here.
Yeah, this is one where you're, I don't know if that's a whole trailer or not, but sometimes you don't get the whole trailer. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah. That's you got money to spend there. Get up in the dock up here and kind of look inside here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. But, yeah. Look at that. It's okay. 120,000. Jesus. Yeah, if you're living somewhere where you can year around this bad boy, I get it.
Oh, are they?
Not cheap at all.
That is.
They're nice.
Accurate.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. Expensive bad boy. Over here.
25 and really bad stuff.
You walk down the street without killing yourself. These aren't your dad's boats anymore, man. You can kind of see you got the Yamahas here as well. Here's your Bennington. These things are not. These are nice. They're nice party barges. 2004, 2024. See, that's an affordable vehicle right here. About 40 gur. When you're here, come on here with a party and like the captain's seat. You can walk in here. My brother-in-law who's blind, like you can have his A&B come on here with his wheelchair. That's a nice bad boy right there. It gets up and goes. I have a grill on mine. Put a grill in the front of it. Come out here and you grill. Cruise around with all your friends. One guy, obviously doesn't drink. You can drive around. Party like rock stars. This is the best way to go right here. These party barges. Bennington makes damn good party barges. But I like a more open space one. Going down here without falling down, shall we? Spelling. Yes. Saw some mini donuts. Holy moly. What is this? There's more spacious than the other ones right here. So is that one. Fun for the whole family. Walk up over here and you can see how people up here lounging around. 20, well, about, I don't know, that's, I don't think that's about the trailer. Does not include setup taxes and so. The hell, huh? Get in this bad boy and away you go. But you better have the time, the energy to use these bad boys. Yeah. Over here.
I thought about doing a $3,500 upgrade to
Right. Yeah, it looks the first. Didn't you show me a picture?
But yeah, these are the big ones that cost a lot of cash. But you better be living on a lake. You gotta have a big truck to pull them. You can always buy a good party barge. Very expensive used ones to get around, but the old captain chair. Vroom, vroom, vroom. As you can tell, we really come down here. So, let's head on down.
Start here.
Look at this big, look at this bad boy right here. This suckers. This is huge. Starting at 25. Yeah, okay. Bennington. That's a big dog right here. Oh my goodness! Look at that motor. Look at that one. Jesus.
I like the wraparound windshield idea.
I think it's huge. This is like a think you're a company guy, people out here for want to get a good job or something. Sitting right there, hanging out, going fishing. Good. Yes, sirree. I like that.
They advertise 14 days. How is that even possible? You know, every surf boat
Look at
brand
this
out there
sucker.
has been saying
Oh my
that,
goodness.
and nobody's been able to accomplish it. And he goes, it's not the material, it's the coating on the
That's some nice stuff, huh? Oh my goodness. Hell yeah. But anyways, that's your first video here at the boat show. 20th day of January 2024. So when this comes out, it'll be obviously in October, but you get the idea. So, all right, guys, talk later.